Well, this is not Santa Claus and a slave. This is Beenie Man representing the warriors. Whoa, laddie, laddie, lad. Sound clash. Santa Claus and a slave. This is Beenie Man representing the warriors. Whoa, laddie, laddie, lad. Sound clash.
Ontario, burial, scenario. Everything remain, maintains plush. With choruses that hook you like the media. It's unfair to shoot the messenger when the public is so eager to hear the message. I'll turn a rich man poor, left behind like victims, faceless and nameless. My new rap label pushes, so get your bifocals with stories not unfamiliar. Local heads get thrown into a tizzy when I perform past the norm, leaving you sounding like me about a year ago. You're sitting pretty like Janet, damn it, interplanet. Don't even look at the surface. You're better off underground, but your people follow rumor. I read the fine print after, so educate yourself, son. After 12, the crowd grows impatient. Local labels fall if there's no represent. Punks try to change the perception of our erection.
So sound clash a go on down. Select another doubt to put on. This the warriors and I free run out the lava one. This Beenie Man and take me I got come. Oh Lord, sound clash the go on down. Select another doubt to put on. This the warriors and I free run out the lava one. Beenie Man they have me now go keep calm. Anyway. Boy, I kick up and I go on like them are the best. Walk on this, the warriors like them is the greatest. And a man say, good, better, best. And a man say, never let it rest until the good becomes better and the better becomes best. But followers, not for them are carriers. How them pitch I come this the gym warriors. Them boy, they can't cross our barriers. We're gonna take them pictures with all the cameras. Oh, some boy, them all a flex like them are the owner. When me check it out, them gonna station, them a farmer. Some boy a hunter, but we are the murderer. Gym warriors and Beenie Man a slaughterer. And with their bout, yeah, how we are the owner. How we the one of the gal them have to run and have to follow. All the gal them holla, warriors na stammer. We now go chat the whole of lyrics and then we stutter. Bad man no cater, feed the gal them a driver. Everybody wanna listen to them style ya. Well, this is not Santa Claus and a slave. This is Beenie Man representing the warriors. Sound clash. Whoa, laddie, laddie, lad. Sound clash.
Banks major invest, quarter of a mil. Pager blows up like my name was Trump. Without a sound business plan, investment on both sides, capsize. But always got a backup plan. Got couple grand in the foundation, growing tracks out the basement. Who said we couldn't pick money off of these trees? to fall to their knees and give us some of these. Now who's the African NATO? Payo, payo. Stay off my property and everything remains lovely. We Real Heads Network on the down low. Solo, so diggy, diggy, down low. Down low, down low, down low.
So sound clash a go on down. Select another dub to put on down. This the warriors and a free on out the lava one. See him and the yard, me nah go keep calm. Anyway, sound clash a go on in the land. Some boy you kick up and a go on. And if you this the warriors you keep calm. Dub later attack you just like a storm. And me man up on the rhythm, well me just get it. Wow, me have me blunt, me have me chalice and me Guinness. Take it, take it, take it, take it.
Non-stop, even if the DJ gets shot, cause campus radio rocks around us like Cash Johnny. So dangerous and plush like a Maserati.
Select another dub to put on.